Hi guys, so welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas. Woohoo! Last year I didn't have that much going on and I did Vlogmas for the very first time. I had so much fun doing Vlogmas. It was an amazing experience, even if it was super stressful. But this year I have a lot going on. I have a really huge announcement that I'm not going to tease out for too long. I am definitely this time going to be mixing up sit-down videos with vlogs. That really worked for me last year just because if I got busy, I would have like a sit-down video prepared. So, and especially I know I'm going to be crazy busy and some days are just going to be insane. So let's get on to the first announcement. I think it's big news, but you guys might be like, girl, it's not that big of a deal. You guys, it is December 1st today when you guys are watching this and I am moving out. Yes, you guys have seen me in this location forever and I'm still going to be filming here, but I am moving into a condo. And not only am I moving, I'm moving in with my boyfriend. So that is part 2 of the news, I guess. You guys are probably like, girl, you just mentioned your boyfriend to us. I think I mentioned him in November. We have been dating for about 6 months, 5-6 months now, and we spend all our time together. I can talk more about it in another video why we're moving in together, but we're both really excited. I can't wait for this new chapter and to spend more time with him. And so I'm so excited to take you guys along and show you guys how we're gonna decorate and what we're gonna do, show you guys the place. I don't know, I just think this couldn't have come at a better time because I get to take you guys fully along with me during this major period of transition. Yeah, I just want to do this little introduction for you guys before I finish packing. And I just want to take you guys back over the last few days and show you guys what I've been up to prepping for this move. So I hope you guys all come along on this journey with me. I'm really excited, but again, a little bit nervous. Vlogmas makes me nervous. Amy, please do a good enough job. Please don't miss too many days. The stress. You got this, girl. Okay, let's get into the vlog clips. So guys, because I've been so busy, I thought we'd start the vlogs off a little bit earlier. So I'm going to show you guys for the first Vlogmas what I've been doing in the lead up to December 1st as well. And today we are actually just on the way out for my dad's birthday dinner. We're going to an Italian place. Actually, this is the place I went for my birthday in the summer and I love Italian food and pasta. I will show you really quickly what I'm wearing. This is my, well, I'll give you like a full outfit shot afterwards, but this is my Balmain inspired, as I like to call it.
Outfit shots for you.
Huh? Well, if you won't do it, I'm sure Mum will. That's just my sister who's being a shady palm tree thing who's gonna film my outfit.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come.
Hey guys, so right now it's a couple of days. I look like I have a major lazy eye. It's a couple of days before the move. Have I packed anything? No. I really need to start packing, but I'm actually about to go get my nails done. I will show you guys them. My nails are a tragic state. So I know you guys are like, why haven't you started packing yet? Probably. Honestly, I hate packing. I hate moving. Those are like the 2 things I really do not enjoy. And so I procrastinate things that I don't like. It's a really bad habit. Don't do that. Don't be like me and procrastinate. Oh, my eyelash extensions. Get things done. So I'm going to get my nails done. I'm going to go to class and then I'm probably going to catch up with you guys and go, to HomeSense because I want to look for some decor bits and kind of price things out because we do need a lot for the new place. So I'm going to take a look at some things there and I'll bring you guys along with me. So these are my nails, the state of them. You guys can see that they're pretty grown out. I hope you can see. I don't even want to zoom in because my cuticles suck, but especially these ones because I went in with broken nails. They're quite ratchet, but they're not bad. This is 4 weeks of wear, so it could be a lot worse. A few hours have passed. I didn't get any footage of them being done because I'm an idiot, but the color is very similar. I always go for like light neutrals or dark nails, but right now I'm in a big light neutral kick and this color is the new Genesis Dip Powder in Baby's Breath. So yeah, let's go to HomeSense.
In the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town, I'm not one of them, the 3 wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who.
All right, so it's a little bit later. It's like dark outside. It looks like midnight, but it's only like 6:30. And we are gonna get a head start. Well, not a head start. We're gonna get it on with this packing because Lord knows your girl is left this till the last minute, so I have a lot of packing to do. My room is giving me major anxiety right now. Here's the state of some of the boxes that I have so far. We have this one over here, which is almost ready to go. This one has like jeans and a few tops in it. All the rest though, we have this one that's empty. I think I started filling this one. I don't know. I just need to get a head start. So let's get some packing underway.
Who you are, if you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door, treat the old and the...
So guys, it's T-minus 24 hours until move day. And right now, I'm about to get my hair done, my weave taken out, which I really have no business doing because Lord knows I have no business being at the hair salon because I haven't even fully packed. But this appointment was made months ago before I even knew I was moving, and my girl is booked up until March for hair appointment, right? Yeah, exactly. So I have no business canceling this appointment either. So I gotta be here and then I gotta go home and finish packing. So you guys said on Instagram that you guys wanted to see me get my hair done. So that is what we're gonna do today for a little bit. And then I'm also getting my weave put back in during Vlogmas, so you guys will see that too. So you get a double whammy. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. Paula recently moved into a new salon that is beautiful. The aesthetic is so nice with all these like light walls in the wood. There's Paula. Say hey, girl. I'm obsessed with her new place. And I love like these chairs and everything. Like I just bought bar stools that are kind of like this.
Oh yeah.
Like with the studs on them.
Oh, but you don't know the...
And this like backing.
Hold on, check out the best detail.
Okay, what happens?
Oh.
So recline when you need the diffuser. So you could, yeah. So you can like recline.
I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. Gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy, just got something fun.
Oh, I love the ends. Like the cut is so nice.
Yeah, the cut will make such a big difference.
Yeah. Okay, so the weave is out. Now we are back to go home and pack. It's about 4 o'clock, so I'm on my way to get some more boxes. And I think Justin, who is my boyfriend, got the keys to the place, so we're gonna go check that out and maybe do some cleaning. I don't know, but Lord knows I need to pack a few more things. And yeah, I feel so good to have my weave out.